Today is World Diabetes Day.
Today is World Diabetes Day.
Today is World Diabetes Day.
Diabetes is a disease that affects so many Maltese and Gaucitans and people around the globe. My message today is one of empowerment. You can help mitigate the risk of diabetes. You can take control.
Diabetes is a very common condition in our country. And this is worrying. It's worrying because, one, we have a high number of type 2 diabetics, more than we should have. And two, because we are still seeing a lot of complications from diabetes.
It is estimated that around 10% of the population aged 18 years and over is living with diabetes, making it a common chronic condition in the Maltese population. Experts believe that diabetes is expected to continue to rise in all age groups. Knowing that factors such as obesity, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity and smoking can increase the chances of type 2 diabetes, we all can do our part in preventing it.
Diabetes is largely preventable, so it's very important that we lead a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition and physical activity. We also know that diabetes actually takes a very long time for people to develop symptoms. So we do know that there are a lot of people who are actually living with diabetes and yet do not have any symptoms at all. So it's important to go for testing. When someone goes for testing and gets diagnosed for diabetes, then we can start treatment very early. And this will actually avoid developing complications of diabetes.
There is government policy in this year and the next few years to bring down as much as possible the incidence of diabetes. This involves a program of prevention, which we are embarking on, but we are also embarking on a program to prevent complications in patients who are diabetic. In fact, from this year we have started giving out, free of charge, diabetic sticks to all diabetic patients. This year for all patients on insulin, next year for all diabetic patients. This will help to prevent our patients from developing complications once they have diabetes.
Women and diabetes is the theme chosen for this year's World Diabetes Day. There are currently over 199 million women living with diabetes, and this total is projected to increase to 313 million by 2040. We can do our small part by encouraging our young girls to do more physical exercise and engage in sports activities.
Help us raise awareness and join the MMSA in front of the law court of Valletta and find out what you can do to tackle it.
It is commendable that our students take an active role in the community, and this is why I encourage you to once again join the Malta Medical Students Association this Saturday and visit the stand for free screenings.
Choose wisely, don't sugarcoat it.
Don't sugarcoat it.
Diabetes can be overwhelming. Don't sugarcoat it.